In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive photos. We'll walk through the simplest ways to save your pictures from Google Drive to a laptop, whether you need just one image or an entire folder. Open your favorite web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're prompted, sign in to the Google account that holds your photos so you can access your Drive. Let's start with downloading a single photo. In Drive, browse to the folder where your image lives, or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. When you see the photo you want, right-click it and choose Download. Your browser will begin saving the file immediately. By default, it goes to your computer's Downloads folder unless you've changed your browser's download settings. If you prefer to choose a location each time, you can enable Ask Where to Save Each File in your browser settings. Next, if you want multiple photos at once, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each photo to select them. Once you've highlighted everything you need, right-click on any of the selected photos and choose Download. Google Drive will automatically package those images into a single zip file to keep them together. This helps speed up the transfer and avoids cluttering your Downloads folder with dozens of separate files. You can also download an entire folder of photos. Right-click the folder in Drive and choose Download. Drive will create a zip file of the folder's contents, including any subfolders, and then your browser will download it. When the zip finishes downloading, open it and extract the photos so you can view and edit them normally. On most systems, double-clicking the zip opens it, then you can drag the images out or use the extract option to unpack everything at once. There's also a quick drag and drop method. With Drive open in your browser, open a File Explorer or Finder window to your Downloads folder, then click and drag photos from Drive to your desktop. This triggers a download in the background and places the files where you dropped them, which is handy for just a few images. A few important tips before we wrap up. Large photo folders can take a while for Drive to zip, so be patient. If the photos are in a shared folder, you may need permission from the owner before you can download. And remember, if you downloaded a zip, you must extract it before you'll see the actual image files ready to use.